What's going on, YouTube world? It's Papa G again. I got another video for you. Today, we're going to be removing the body side molding of my nephew's Chevrolet. He don't like the way it looks. Come on, let's go. I'm over here working on my nephew's truck. So basically, all he's done is taken a heat gun, slowly heated them up, and slowly pried it off. Well, as you can see, it leaves behind the glue. So what we do to get that off is you get you one of these pinstripe wheels. Hit it with a little penetrating oil. We're using this. Let it soak a minute, and then all you gotta do is spin the wheel. Pulls it right off. As you can see, it leaves a brown stain. It's not rubber, it's from the paint and the dirt over the years. In order to get that off, you just wipe it down and you hit it with a buffer. Put a little compound on your pad. You're just using some old turtle wax, faithful. Scratch and swirl. Get it all distributed on your pad equally. You don't want to sling it all over the place. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me the big thumbs up. Help YouTube push my videos out to other people all around in the YouTube world. Here you are, just like that. Molding's gone. The goo is gone. Polished out. Let's check the other side where I got my minions doing my dirty work. Oh man, let's take a look at the finished product. Woo, that looks so much better without that ugly yellow stained up molding on the side. Y'all did a great job. I sure do like the way that truck looks without the molding on it. Nice and smooth on the side, a lot like old Rooster here. So for me and the Rooster, we're out of here. Hey everybody, it's Papa G again. I got another video. Today we're gonna go